My biggest struggle was not caring about the type of food that I eat. So I just eat the food, I consume, drink as much as I can because I like it. That contributed to my massive weight gain. So I am most proud of my mindset change because with your assistance, I wouldn't have known how much to eat, what type of food to eat, and the habits that I should be maintaining to fulfill my healthy lifestyle. My biggest breakthrough of my mindset is you taught me how to eye my food. That has shown me how much I should be eating. And you also taught me about how much of each type of food that I should be consuming instead of getting a little bit of too much. Another breakthrough to me regarding my mindset is that basically showed me that it's okay to not finish everything, especially the bigger portions. And with that mindset change, I have brought home the food that I ate. If I order too much for lunch, I'll eat half of it for lunch and half of it for dinner. I did not like to eat vegetables before this program. I've always just thrown it away, and now this mindset check, eat vegetables now. That shocked my friends. Seeing me eat vegetables for the first time, and they're like, "Oh wow, you've changed." I've enjoyed the times that we've talked through about my concern and how you're listening to my concerns. I appreciate that. It's a great learning experience for me. I feel different after the body has adjusted to those changes, and it makes me feel better. I'll say that Sophie is a caring dietitian and will listen to your concerns. She'll make sure that you'll stick to your regimen. She'll make good food recommendations to help you consume proper nutrients and go on with your daily lifestyle. The cost may seem high at first, but as she said, you would need to make the proper investment to take care of your body, and then she'll emphasize that.